Let's start with a cosmic truth bomb. Everything you think you know about black holes is probably wrong. They are not giant, ravenous vacuum cleaners, hurtling through space and gobbling up everything in their path. This image, plastered across sci-fi movies and nightmares, is a profound misunderstanding. The idea of a cosmic monster is thrilling. I get it. But the reality is far more subtle, far more bizarre, and infinitely more mind-blowing. The universe rarely operates on pure brute force. Its greatest secrets are hidden in paradoxes, in places where our neat little rules of physics break down entirely. Prepare to have your cosmic perspective shifted. We're going on a journey to uncover hidden knowledge, strange truths that agencies like NASA often skim over. We're not just talking about gravity being strong. We're talking about the very fabric of reality being warped, twisted, possibly even torn. What truly happens if you fall into one? Does your story, your very information, get erased from the cosmic record forever? These aren't just academic questions. They are puzzles that challenge our understanding of existence itself. This journey is for you, for anyone who has looked up at the night sky and felt awe, a flicker of curiosity about our place in this vast cosmos. If you're fascinated by black holes, hit that like button and tell me your wildest question in the comments. Let's step across the threshold of the known and peer into the beautiful abyss. The truth is waiting. Imagine you're in a spaceship approaching a black hole. As you get closer, you reach a boundary. It's not a wall, not a gate, not anything you can touch or see. It's an invisible spherical line in the fabric of space-time called the event horizon. Think of it like a cosmic waterfall's edge. If you're far upstream, you can paddle away. But once you drift over the edge, there is no escape. The current is too strong. For a black hole, the current is gravity, and the edge is the horizon. Crossing it would demand faster-than-light escape. Impossible. Here's the first mind-bending paradox. To you, crossing the horizon feels uneventful. Physics seems normal, for a little while. But your friend far away sees your ship slow down, its light redden and fade, as if you freeze on the edge, never crossing. So which reality is true? Do you cross and fall inward, or freeze at the edge for eternity? Einstein's theory says both are true, depending on the observer. Reality, it turns out, is relative. There isn't one single objective truth to this event. The universe allows multiple, equally valid truths to coexist. This isn't just a thought experiment. It exposes a conflict between our best theories. The event horizon is a boundary in space, and in our understanding. It's the ultimate cosmic cliffhanger. We're all standing at the edge, staring into the beautiful, bewildering unknown beyond. Let's dive deeper into the weirdness. A core principle says information can never be destroyed. Burn a book, and it seems gone, but physics says the info persists, scrambled in smoke, ash, heat, and light. In principle, a super-advanced computer could reconstruct the whole story. Information is conserved, but a black hole seems to delete information. Cross the horizon and it's lost to the outside forever. Essence erased. Drop Moby Dick, drop Shakespeare, the whole just gets heavier. Their differences vanish without a trace. This is the information paradox, a five-alarm fire for physics. If info can truly be destroyed, the universe has a delete button, wrecking cause and effect as we know it. Scientists like Stephen Hawking wrestled with this for decades. One leading idea, the holographic principle, says the information isn't destroyed. Instead, it's imprinted on the two-dimensional surface of the event horizon, like data on a chip. In this radical view, 3D stuff inside is described by info on the 2D boundary. The universe might be a hologram. Black holes could be the key to proving it, saving information and saving physics. Now let's talk about what would actually happen to your body if you fell into a black hole. Spaghettification. It's tidal forces, the same thing that makes ocean tides, cranked to cosmic levels. Near a small black hole, gravity at your feet is way stronger than at your head. You'd be stretched, slowly at first, then with irresistible force, pulled like taffy, longer and thinner. You, your ship, everything, drawn into a filament of atoms, flowing like a river to the center. You would literally become a noodle of your former self, a strand of human pasta. This isn't sci-fi, it's a prediction of general relativity. Extreme curvature pulls different on different parts. Gravity holds galaxies together and can deconstruct matter atom by atom. Creation and destruction, hand in hand. Fall into a supermassive black hole, and you might cross the horizon without feeling a thing. Spaghettification delayed. The final crush still awaits deeper in, but you'd get a few moments of calm oblivion first. What a way to go. Pause for a second. Drop your favorite planet in the comments. Mine has to be Saturn for its majestic rings. It's a stark reminder we're physical beings under cosmic laws, and still, we look up in wonder. For decades, black holes were perfect prisons. Then in 1974, Stephen Hawking changed everything. He combined the laws of the very big, general relativity, with the very small, quantum mechanics, and discovered the impossible. Black holes can leak. They radiate energy, a faint glow called Hawking radiation. Empty space isn't empty. It seethes with virtual pairs, particle and antiparticle, appearing and annihilating everywhere. At the horizon, one can fall in while the other escapes. To us, it looks like the black hole emitted a particle. Energy has to come from somewhere. By E equals mc squared, it comes from the black hole's mass, so it slowly shrinks. It's incredibly slow, but it means black holes aren't eternal. In the far future, they'll fizzle out with a quiet pop. Or will they? Evaporation brings us right back to the information paradox. If a black hole evaporates away, what happens to the information it swallowed? Does it leak out with the radiation, or is it truly gone? The answer could rewrite physics, again. Somewhere in that faint glow might be the universe's way of keeping its books balanced, down to the last bit. We've danced around the horizon and the fate of information, but what lies at the heart of a black hole? Relativity says all that mass gets crushed to a point of zero volume and infinite density, a gravitational singularity. Our laws break down. Infinity is math's way of saying we have no idea what's going on. It's not a hard little sphere, it's where space-time curvature becomes infinite, where here and now lose meaning. This isn't a flaw in the universe, it's a gap in our knowledge. We need a quantum theory of gravity. Maybe it's a fuzzball of vibrating strings, or a Planck star that rebounds. Maybe a gateway to another universe. We don't know. And that's exciting. Near black holes, time itself is warped. Gravitational time dilation is real, even on Earth. Your feet age a whisper slower than your head. Near a black hole, that difference explodes. Watch your friend's ship dip close. Their time slows relative to yours. One of their hours could be your years, or decades. They've time traveled to the future, for real. Clocks, bodies, biology, and all. A black hole is a time machine with a one-way ticket. Leap forward, never back. It stretches minds as it stretches space-time, a window into the nature of reality. We picture black holes as takers, but the universe wastes nothing. They're hidden architects of galaxies, shaping stars, and the cosmic web. Falling matter forms an accretion disk, heated to millions of degrees, brighter than entire galaxies. Quasars, the universe's brightest beacons, powered by supermassive black holes. Not everything falls in. Magnetic fields launch near-light-speed jets that span hundreds of thousands of light years. These jets plow through space, compressing gas and planting seeds for new stars. Cosmic gardeners at work. At the heart of our Milky Way, Sagittarius A is quiet today, but its past shaped our galaxy. Black holes are vital to the cosmic ecosystem, violent, chaotic, and profoundly creative. They break down old stars, forge elements, and help set the stage for planets, and us, to emerge. Next time you see a galaxy, remember the engine at its heart, a crucible of transformation. They're not just destroyers. They're engines of creation driving cosmic evolution. We've journeyed to the edge of reality and back. Black holes aren't simple, hungry monsters. They're so much more. Paradoxes where time freezes and information seems to vanish. Places where reality depends on your point of view. ultimate particle accelerators, stretching space-time and shaping the galaxies we call home. We started busting a myth and uncovered a universe stranger and more wonderful than we imagined. Unsolved paradoxes aren't failures, they're breadcrumbs leading to deeper truth. Don't worry if this feels overwhelming. You don't need a PhD in physics to explore the cosmos. You're already part of this story. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, the oxygen you breathe, it all came from stars. You are the universe, trying to understand itself. Black holes may hold paradoxes, but your curiosity is the key to unlocking them. Black holes aren't monsters in the dark. They're windows to the deepest truths of reality. Look up. That starlight took ages to reach you. You're made of stardust. This quest is your birthright. Our current theories are stepping stones. The next chapter, a theory of everything, is waiting to be written. So the paradox of black holes remains unsolved. Do they erase information or store it on their surface? Do they destroy reality at the horizon or open pathways to other universes? One thing is certain. Black holes aren't just monsters in the dark. They're windows into the deepest truths of reality. If this journey blew your mind, hit like, share this with a fellow space lover, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss our next cosmic adventure. The universe is vast, mysterious, and waiting for you. Don't stop exploring. If you felt even a spark of cosmic curiosity today, hit that subscribe button, share this with a fellow stargazer, and click the bell so you don't miss the next journey into the unknown.